Hey guys, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here in Hollywood, California. And I've been coaching for a long time. And one of the questions that people will always ask is, what's my voice type? And so that question brings in a lot of different answers because when they say voice type, I'm not exactly sure what that means. And so we're going to talk about it so you guys get a sense of this. Now, we may be talking about your range that is typically considered a vocal range. In women, it could be an alto or a soprano. Those are the two major classifications, and then they're broken up in between there. Now, for men, they're either, a tenor or bass. Same kind of thing, but then there are different variations in there. Your voice will correspond to one of those sounds more predominantly, meaning my voice, being a male voice and being a little bit deeper, sits more in a baritone range. It's a little bit lower. So the baritone range is here. A bass range may be down here. Now, and if I'm a female and my voice is a little bit lower here, that might be more of an alto voice. But if my voice is up here, it might be more of a soprano. So I don't know what your voice type is. Your voice range might be different, but your voice type might include many different things. When I'm saying that, you may have this great ability to be able to mix all these different voices together, and that's really brilliant. And when you can do that, that means that you're also using your body more correctly. So what I'm saying is here, everything I'm giving you is always very general. For us to know exactly what's going to suit you, what's going to be the best place, I really need to see you or work with you. You'd have to figure this out. But typically, I will tell you, even in my programs, I know people will discover this. I say all the time, go through and find the ranges that really fit with your voice right here. Once you find that, then they will start to open up around that. Meaning, I will find what I call my sweet spot, which is going to be my voice type, which is easy for me to produce. But then I also want to have variation. So I'm going to develop my lower range, I'll get more of that, and I'll develop more of my upper range. But my sweet spot is going to be that, what I call my particular voice type. And that will be yours as well. And so you will discover that as you find the extent of your range, and then also find the place where it's really easy for you to sing, which is going to be that middle place or your particular sweet spot. So don't worry too much about what your particular voice type is. Mainly figure out where that sweet spot is in your voice, because you do have one. All right, hope that helps you guys. Please leave your questions, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again.